shame we say to the United States of America, shame, shame, shame we say to Britain and its allies.
That was impetus enough for US diplomats to walk out during President Mugabe's speech. At 89, Robert Mugabe is not short on vigour and strongly condemned the sanctions that have been placed on his country by Western nations.
These illegal sanctions continue to inflict economic deprivation and human suffering on all Zimbabweans.
National coalition me dibe mi awore mi me kponyale mi awo afi wa ingogbe o bo me dibe magbonya fide chon elego mi sidande aha enu me dibe magbo chon wonye be mi atowere mi ame ibowere mi awkele mi adokwiwu mi antode mi awele mi adokwiwu fifi la yovo mele mi agbo vava le mi ajizi o awo. About 14 nations in Africa. Ogale, efekena yovo. Ele comme senama. Abiale efia o non ani. Ya onyebe efia suswe wa ba no jona efia gande. Nia Africa country de ogale. Yo le nu jo na yovo obo colonial masters we. 14 Africa countries. Elle comme senama. Aha. Ya tamele bogbobe. Na mi ma boycott mi abo election de ke manye me yanu kamia wo. Na mi ma boycott o de nyeme yanu kamia wo. Nya tepe de kai. National coalition boycotting e ke mami akona NDC. Nya tepe de kai. Magbonya de me. National agenda emele mi asi ore. Yata mi le fu ope. Voile nya ti wa national agenda re. E ya ni national coalition. Ta na mi ti boycott la, national coalition will happen. E ya me dibe magbo na we. Vonyo nya ti ganto yi me dibe be opete no le. Enye Kristo to me nye Kristo to me kamo. Ele go me sinama. Yehowa le fuma ya over fimia to gbewe. Jesus le fuma ya over fimia to gbe wu mi atogbe o tojo kopo. Tojo duo, blame yabo history we. Yehowa no fuma. Machina we. The God of your slave master can never save you, black man. The God of your slave master can never save you, black man. Yovo have cast croache. Temu china mbenye vinyewe wanye ivio besubola. So what do you think you go to your heaven, the heaven of a white man? And have cast told me, I'll put that statement. Man not called them have cast lo. What about 100% British or 100% US citizen or French person? Mado yevu bede me mi no soro yevu be Ghana to Ghana Togo touch mi no soro video mi abo nku bia alego me sinama ama yinyama wodo na echichi na mere vinyo de wa bani yivi obesu bofi ama yimele gbogbo de eto nye Ghana to eno nye yovo we e ya la gbe ma to gbe no ya ka nye yovo yin sapo sam 100% ma di mi abo nwe machina we nele yovo pe ma usubore nele yovo pe ma usubore mele chichina obere yovo pe ma ode ma no we. That is why we have been calling Jehovah since ya mele takpon na mi adoku ya tepe ma ngule na we. Yehowa no fma afinye me ba no bricks cho atupa no afogome sinam. Yehowa no fma afinye me ba no desinam we me no madogo dan we detiji. Fine Yehowa no afinye atogbo no avuwo no yilo gbogbo. Ma bia we, ma china we. Ona na nya beto mi abo subo de gbogbo fun we. Ma china we alakpa. Enya ma chichina obe alakpa. The most wicked God. He am testify. E ya nye mawu yo fia obe Yehowa. vai kpo Biblia me da. Ne ya amia to akpo ya amia wo livi ya wa wo about 7,000. Me na obi ase lo bobo osusu ne na se gome. Ne Yehowa to akpo jiku ha de livi. De Mose hu dede ate wan wo ame akpe na dede. Ya oto ya wa fiafu mi atogbe wo meto hu de yovo de ka o. Ya oto la mi apo politician wala mi ajila zakla ke lo meto hu ame de ka o. Ya ekpledo nyeche mekpledo po mekplo Yehowa do po ne me gale gota me kwache yin me le glo na obe the truth is one ya me le gbogbo na we evangelist adai no nya de glo sigbe kenye Abraham be mo shiche Abraham challenge we be ale ibal ple like Elia o wa vude yi dibe de Kristo toche no wo challenge chimbe ekoti ego re ka cover idare bede egbede no fear Jesus Kristo pa unse o meto fear o up to today the water is still there, the bottle of water is still there to view anyway o meto we o meto tro
ensuanie anointed person baako ene ye china aso dem ha and said Elijah any Baal akonfo eko challenge Elijah ema we jafi surobai no Maria signe hu say Jesus na mujiri no power no menso na nansa na mento aso you can't you can't enso na da so si ho samulio manyo question time ye baby sam
o meto tro chie o trozu ahanani nu Yesu Kristo bede enu imi wode enu ya wode ame yo je yo me de wa ba wo nene sofo wo le wo do le mi afi 4 days ago magbo be 1 week enye ya sofo de by doctor me de strong yi o de le sofo makegbo o do ring na we consider gbe nkeke ni egbe sofo le doctor me le so ho me ncho ba ikede ncho kolas na se de gbe ncho me ponyo ne sofo nya te peto le de no china Yehowa bere ne wu politician fi afito we ne mi pona biko ami ode o le mi afi ata me poga mi akojira modo nya te pe ya magbulo na we Yehowa ne wu o ne mi pona ne ka yin gba me na yin gba ne mi ami o ne mi pona no make now hope o me china Duncan William we don't need hope, we don't need empty hope. Either he will bring the national coalition, let him become the president, we don't care. Nekwaya cover, we don't need hope. If not, a time is coming. I'm not even going to say that at the talent because the youth are not getting work to do. The poverty line in Ghana. How can you send a tolle Ghana me? Ya kon otunko $1, otunko $2 million. Kodo da? Enyane nenye $1 million. Jokes aside. Nya deme le gbogbo me dibe magbo ya ta me nya gbo deme. Dotom enya me dibe magbo nya bede. Mia be huno we, ple mia pe afakala we. Mia bo boko no we de. No dro mia be boko no. I am challenging our traditional men. I'm challenging the traditional religion in Ghana, in Africa, to utilize their powers. No zaube power, no zaube unse wene wa definami. Malam we no zaube unse wene wa definami. No mega zaube unse wene ko support politician we ko evo out. Egbe mele gbogbo ema. No mega zaube unse de ko protect wo ko evo out. Miwo union. The way they are swearing in Quran and Bible and the sword in the court. Every politician, every public servant, including the lecturers, every minister must swear in our tradition. No kono gopo alo togbe kednakpo. No dro mi dia me sesewe ne mi adro nya tefie ko vai dade. No va swear deji. If they lie, let it kill them. Lomomba e globere. Ne. Ya wo. Ya amewa me 10 wa kude. Idibe ya pop more of this death. Ne ya awu mi abo Ghana politician we there. Let the death of this
said that a minister in his government went to him and said, I've been named in a scandal, Your Excellency, help me. He told him there is nothing that I can do. The individual went to his rural home. The following day, it is reported that he had committed suicide. I'm not a sadist, nor do I intend to be one, but if there are such individuals, I want more suicides.
Find the legal process and make sure voter educated they want me what dynamic. Me do me abo konuere quite the court. Me do me abo konuere let them signature it. Let it be mandate in the constitution that anybody that come into public office, government office, they swear me abo tradition. Ne me akwa me ne have no office that fia fitowe. Ne me akwa me ne very soon. Ma did you na me get the office ko ezu a millionaire. Na me dey get the office ko ezu millionaire. Na me dey get the office ko ezu millionaire. One o cruise home enye me wo dole moto security guard ya me wo dole moto. Ame yo me dona go le moto dey. I can't mention the names. Some of them, if they open their sweet kit, you see bundles of dollars. I don't know which business they are doing. I don't know how much is their salary. That pay my goal now. If you are selling, me na me abo politician we no swallow no go. If Jehovah or Jesus is powerful, let him show his powers there. If Nogopo is having powers, let Nogopo show powers there. Let Quran show powers there. But for now, we nullify all the three that we are using so far. We want tradition. If you support idea ya, me draw me abo konu ko irefma. Now I swear there. Now me that national cake. If you are a president and you come into the seat and you want to share the national cake and you don't share it equally, you also swear in our God. You don't swear on Bible and I swear in the name of the Lord, Amen. And then we go to the home and then you begin to buy foreign account, so many different accounts. Fia fitowe. Nya tepe amana gbogbo. Ne ya pe ku awo amegbeto de ne wo amegbeto. Ame yoku le kintapo de am I better than them or you think you are better than them? No. Efi ya magbo nya tepe le wase. Efi de ya magbo nya tepe le wase. Mi atowe, mi abo nku ebian. Mi le nyu di na mi adeduko. Mi le nyu di na mi adeduko yi mi atogbe owo abadeta. Shame. Yata Mugabe kule. Ebe shame onto our politicians. Hey, Omega ina British and allies Omega ina well. Hey, them me politician. Well, shame onto you. That your contractors, you the engineering block they invest you on a corner. They are using paper, ordinary paper. Paper ya call the research work. Paper ya call the practical work. Shame onto you. And you are donating 2 million to your slave master. Shame onto you. Hey, gomede. When your own people cannot even afford for even aluminium to do practical, they cannot get even wood. They don't even have practical place. Go to the engineering block. If I am lying, you will testify for yourself. Box, paper box, yeah, as I call a practical. Yeah, I think because of that, then you are there, you want to win election again. Mi abonku bia we nya me bloody mebe mi abe we fiawe mi abo togbewe mi di ameyo nya gbare nyi me de school mi di ameyo nya gbare de no wodo na mi ameyo nya gbare de no wodo na mi no pogbobe. Our politicians swear in our traditional gods. Better still, they should swear in the lesser God that the white man told us that he's the creator of the black man. Simple and short. And you may be my grandma. Maybe I can keep a job when you're now. Megan, Jagbabane, subscribe. Then you are there,